21. X minus 2 minus 4 y plus 7 equals 117. And x minus 2 plus 4 y plus 7 is 442. The solution to the given system of equations is x times x and y. What is the value of 6 times x minus 2? Okay. You don't actually have to solve for x and y in this if you don't want to. Right, and here is why. There is these kind of things. I'm just going to say anytime that you're asked not what is x or what is y, but something like this where it's what is the value of 6 times x minus 2? And you're like, that seems oddly arbitrary. That's an unusual thing that you're asking me there. 9 times out of 10, I've only seen like one case where this didn't happen. One case where this wasn't the case. One case where this didn't happen. Where 9 times out of 10 again, they give you this, it's a step in the process. Like you'll get there before you get to x and y a lot of times. So you don't even have to solve for x and y. This is like a midway point. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. So, so I have these two equations, which on their own, each one looks a little more complicated. But when you look at them side by side, you go, hey, there's some similarities here. We got the x minus 2's and the x minus 2's. And then we have this part, we have negative 4 times y plus 7, then positive 4 times y plus 7. If I were to use elimination and add these equations together, those y plus 7's are going to cancel out because I have negative 4 y plus 7's and positive 4 y plus 7's. Add everything together, those go bye-bye. And I am left with 2 x minus 2's. I got one here and one here. And then I add those 117 and 142 together, and I get 559. And so now, if I look over here, 2 times x minus 2 equals 559. Let's look awfully close. Look up here, 6 times x minus 2. How do I get from 2x minus 2's to 6x minus 2's? I need to multiply times 3. If I multiply this times 3, 2x minus 2's times 3, I will get to 6x minus 2's. You could also say, if anyone out there said, what about adding 4x minus 2's? That is a correct answer, but it does not help in this particular case. Because if I were to add 4x minus 2's to both sides, I wouldn't be getting an answer over here that's just numbers, and that's what I want because I need to know the value of 6x minus 2's. Hope that makes sense if anybody out there is like, wait a minute, why don't you just add? That's another way of doing it. Yeah, but we want something that leaves this a number, and if I multiply both sides by 3, I'll have a number on that side. And let's watch that happen. So to get 2x minus 2's, to make it become 6x minus 2's, I'm going to multiply by 3, but I need to do that to both sides. So then on the left, I will have 6x minus 2, and on the right is 559 times 3, which is 1,677, and there's my answer, 1,677. I don't have to solve for x. I just had to solve for 6 times x minus 2. Now, as always, if that didn't make sense, or you get this kind of problem and you don't remember this method, or you can't see where they're trying to direct you, how you can get to this little oddball thing without solving for x, and you need to solve for x, then solve for x. It's okay. No big. It's fine. Like if I did that here, I absolutely could do it. I could say, all right, I need to solve for x. I'm going to divide by 2 to get rid of this 2. And then I get that x minus 2 is equal to, let's see, 250, 275, 279.5. And then I would add 2 to both sides, and I would find that x is equal to 281.5. And then I could plug it into that and say, okay, 281.5 minus 2 is again 279.5. And then if I multiply that by 6, I will get back to 1,677. See, you get the answer either way. But that can save you if you have that little epiphany where you realize, wait a minute, this thing that they're asking me for, I can get there from the midpoint without having to go through these extra steps. Then it can save you, it can save you a few seconds. It can save you some time. And saving time is always a good thing on the SAT, but you know what's even better than saving time is getting the right answer. So if you need to solve for X to get the right answer, please do that. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.